fighter jets.
No. Hey guys, Lucian here. It's the 1 year mark since we cleaned your septic tank, and if you have an effluent filter in your septic tank, I'm just going to show you how to clean it. If you don't want to clean it yourself, you can hire us to come back out and do it. It's just a service call and filter cleaning if you'd rather not do it yourself. But here's a couple things you need to keep in mind if you're cleaning it yourself. You'll need a bucket to fill with water, some gloves, and then once you take the riser lid off, make sure that you don't breathe right above where the lid is, because there's a bunch of gases in your tank that are harmful. So once you pop the lid off, if the filter is pretty close, you can reach in and grab it. This filter is pretty far down, so I have this hook here I'm going to use to grab it. There's a couple different filter styles. This is a poly lock. This one is actually not too bad. It doesn't look too clogged. If this thing is packed with solids, you'll have to take this bottom piece off and rinse it off. And then once you rinse it off in water, the way you put it back in, you want to make sure this tab is facing the pipe leaving. It kind of helps lock the filter in place. So once I clean this off, I'll just slip it back in and that's good to go. The only other thing to keep in mind, if you pop the lid off and the tank is way over full because the filter is clogged, I would recommend having us come back out and pump it before you pull the filter out. Because if you pull the filter with an overfull tank, a bunch of solids are just going to rush out into your field. So I recommend cleaning the filter about once a year. If you're cleaning it more often than that, you're either flushing too many solids into your system, or you need a bigger filter just so you don't have to clean it so often.